In this video, I'm going to show you how to A/B test interactive content in Outgrow, one of the most powerful tools for creating engaging, personalized experiences for your users. By the end of this video, you'll know how to optimize your content for better conversions. So stick around to the end to learn about an exclusive offer you won't find anywhere else. Outgrow is a platform designed to help marketers like you create interactive content, quizzes, calculators, assessments, and more to engage your audience. But how do you know if your interactive content is performing at its best? The answer is A/B testing, and Outgrow makes it incredibly simple. Let's dive right into how you can set up A/B tests with Outgrow. The first step is to make sure you have a campaign ready. You'll want to test variations of a specific element, whether it's a quiz question, a call to action, or the overall layout. Outgrow's A/B testing feature allows you to create multiple variations of your content and test them against each other to see which performs better. Start by creating your interactive content. Once you're in the editor, you can easily duplicate your content to create a second version. Whether you're changing text, images, or the order of questions, make sure each version has only one variable changed to get the clearest results. If you change too many things at once, it'll be harder to pinpoint what's driving your results. After setting up your variations, Outgrow allows you to split your traffic between them. This means you'll be able to see how each version performs in real time based on key metrics like engagement rate, completion rate, and conversion rate. Make sure you monitor these metrics to get a clear picture of which version resonates best with your audience. Once your A/B test is running, don't just sit back. Outgrow makes it easy to track the performance of your variations and compare them. Look for patterns, like which version is leading to higher conversions or longer user interactions. This will help you understand not only what's working, but also why. The real magic of A/B testing is in continuous iteration. Once you've gathered enough data, use it to tweak your content even further. Maybe you'll notice that a slight change in your CTA button color or wording leads to a significant improvement in conversions. Or perhaps the order of your quiz questions is affecting how engaged users are. A/B testing is about optimizing these details over time to improve your results consistently. One of the great things about Outgrow is its ease of use. Unlike other platforms, you don't need a background in coding or web development to create and test interactive content. Outgrow handles all the technical aspects behind the scenes, so you can focus on what really matters: your content and your audience. And don't forget, Outgrow offers a seamless way to integrate with your marketing tools. So whether you're using email marketing, CRM systems, or analytics platforms, you can easily track and leverage your A/B test data across your entire strategy. Before you go, I've got a special bonus for you. If you're looking to try Outgrow yourself, you can use the link in the description below to access a completely free trial with exclusive extended access. So go ahead, start A/B testing your interactive content and watch your conversions soar.